Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Adinda Pramita from Universitas Syekh Kuala, Indonesia. Today, I will present my research entitled Implementation of the Approximate Factorization 2 method in solving head equation. One widely used approach to improve computational efficiency is the approximate factorization 2 method. This method decomposes a two-dimensional operator into two one-dimensional operator, allowing the system of equations to be solved sequentially in the x and y direction without sacrificing accuracy or stability. Various studies have shown that the factorization method provides solutions with small error and good numerical stability compared to explicit method. Therefore, conducting numerical analytics using the approximate factorization 2 method for the two-dimensional head equation is essential to examine its accuracy or error, stability, and consistency with the analytical solution. Partial differential equation is an equation that involves the derivative of a function with respect to or more independent variables. In general, and the other partial differential equation can be expressed as equation where you represent the unknown function. Next, the general of a second-order partial differential equation can be written as AUXX plus BUXY plus blah 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 equal G. According to Strauss 2008, second-order partial differential equations are classified based on the discriminant. A finite difference method. The finite difference method is one of the commonly used numerical approach for solving differential equations, including partial differential equation. The basic concept of the finite difference method is to replace the derivative is a differential equation. With approximation, they use the difference between function values discrete points. Smith, 1985. The Craig-Nicholson scheme is one of the most widely used finite difference scheme for solving parabolic partial differential equation, particularly the head equation. The scheme was first introduced by Craig and Nicholson in 1947 as a numerical method and the combined second-order accuracy with high stability. In the two-dimensional case, this method is applied to a general equation that can be expressed as the time derivative being equal to a special operator. The special operator usually consists of combination of the operator in the x and y direction and can therefore be represented as Smith 1948. For example, consider the following. In solving partial differential equation, initial and boundary conditions are the main component that determine the existence, uniqueness, and form the solution. Was 2009. The approximate factorization 2 method, developed by Beam and Warming, was designed to accelerate the computation of multidimensional implicit scheme. It factorizes a two-dimensional operator into two one-dimensional operators, reducing a large matrix problem to three-diagonal system solved efficiently using the algorithm. For example, the 2D implicit operator is approximate as next. Time stepping process is divided into two stages. Step 1, this equation. Step 2, this equation, where the equation to be solved in this 2D is head equation, which has the following from equation this one, with initial condition uxy0 equals sin px sin py, and boundary condition by the Salsabila 2025. On the right is the initial condition of the head equation. To solve this equation numerically, I use the finite difference method. The time derivative is approximate using the Craig-Nicolson scheme, while the spatial derivative use central difference. This combination provides second-order accuracy and strong numerical stability. The equation is discretized with respect to the spatial variable x and y using the second-order central difference approximation. The left side represents the spatial discretization of in the x direction, while the right side represents the spatial discretization in the y direction. By substituting the result of the discretization to improve temporal accuracy and numerical stability, the Craig-Nicolson scheme or second-order accurate in times is applied equation. Next, substituting the result of the spatial discretization as shown the following equation. So the above equation can be written as the two reduced computational complexity, the approximate factorization 2 method was applied. This approach factorizes the implicit multidimensional operator into the product of two one-dimensional operator as follows the equation below. Thus, the equation become define Rx and Ry, then the computation step for each time level are carried out as follows. Step 1, x direction. The above equation can be written as equation below, where you start represent the intermediate solution obtained after the computation along the x direction. Next, can be expressed in the form of a three-diagonal matrix Mx. Step 2, y direction. The above equation can be written as this question. When un plus 1 represent the final solution after computation in both directions have been, can be expressed in the form of a three-diagonal matrix MU. Simulation head equation. Based on the given initial condition, boundary condition, and parameters, the following result all options are. Nah, the value of R is substituted into the trigonal matrix in the Mx dan My. The domain used based on to the condition, and the domain is resulting a total 5T1 partition where X equal Y by Salsabila 2025. Figure is simulation output comparison between the approximate factorization 2 method solution and the exact solution at y equal 0.5 and t equal 0.1. At time t equal 0.1, the temperature distribution decreases from the initial condition due to heat diffusion from the center to the boundaries. The distribution is symmetric about the center. X equal 0.5 and Y equal 0.5. The comparison between in the approximate factorization 2 solution and the exact solution show that the error is very small, and the order of all 10 to the minus 5 to 10 to the minus 6. The computed root mean square error for the entire domain at t equal 0.1 is approximately 10 to the minus 5, indicating that the approximate factorization method 2 provides a highly accurate and stable solution. The two curves almost overlap entirely, demonstrating the excellent accuracy of the approximate factorization 2 method. In conclusion, the approximate factorization 2 method successfully solved the two-dimensional head equation with highly accurate and stable result. The small RMSE value indicates an almost perfect match with the analytical solution due to its efficiency and robustness. This method can be applied to a wide range of physical and engineering problems involving multidimensional partial differential equations. The following are the references used in the study.